What's up, guys? It's Cameron, and Facebook Marketplace has been more insane lately. Guess what? Nothing's different, except for everything's kind of different, which is kind of fun. But I gotta tell you some stories that I've been encountering lately. This is just an update of what my Facebook Marketplace journey has been like. So, I've been banned multiple times again. I haven't experienced a ban in forever. There are some people that talk about bans all the time. I haven't really had that issue, but it happened again. And I got my marketplace back. I did the thing I've talked to you guys about before where I respond to Facebook emails from support and then they get my stuff reenacted again, and it never really is. So you got to email them like 3 times and then finally it gets taken care of. Then I got banned again. What are you going to do? And then, hold on, I'm getting some light on my face from the computer. There we go. And then, banned again. Cool. I'm like, wow, I'm experiencing the thing that you guys all talk about in the Facebook group, which, by the way, the Facebook group's at like 5,600 people now. It is growing fast still. So if you guys aren't a part of the group, go ahead and join that. People ask questions, get help all the time. There's all sorts of resources in there. Join the group. But I got my marketplace back, no problem. And then out of nowhere, a $600 day. Biggest day I've ever had, probably. $600 day after having not even $600 in profit for like weeks. So I've had $0 days repeatedly, as many of you have. I've had $0 weeks, as some of you may have had. And it was kind of scary, but all of a sudden, after dealing with a bunch of crap, and I'm trying to set up the Facebook shop stuff still. I've got 2 of those trialing and erroring things to see what might work best for you guys and see what's the easiest method. Still waiting on news for that. I'm still waiting for one of them to get official or for one of them to even make a sale. That's kind of where I'm at. I've been trying new boosting methods for stuff. I'm trying all sorts of things so that I can update you. But right now, the only advice I have, which isn't something you have control over, is get banned 3 times and then don't list anything new for like a week. And then you have a $600 day out of nowhere because Facebook needs to figure out what its purpose is, what it's doing with its life. Don't understand. We'll never understand. But that's what's going on with me. I had a $600 day and then a $0 day right after that. And then like a $50 day and then a $100 day. Like it doesn't make any sense. There's profit coming in, yes, which is good because that's not what was happening before. But I haven't done anything. I don't even really list. I mean, I do. Let's be honest, I do. But like it's weird. I'll go a couple days without listing and then all of a sudden I get like, boom, a bunch of stuff. And then I won't list for a while because I'm testing that out. Like, oh, is my listing too much? And then I won't get any sales, but then like I list 5 items one day and it's like, boom, I get a bunch of sales. This is the most sporadic and unreliable method of making money, but it's a great side hustle and it's got its ups and downs that get you excited and get you upset. And that's kind of where I'm at. Trying to think of anything else that's been going on lately with the dropshipping stuff. I've been testing out, products. We're going into the holidays pretty soon. I say pretty soon. I know most of you are like, what are you talking about? The holidays are still pretty far away. Yes, but now would probably be a good time to start flirting with the idea of listing a couple things here and there and testing out. I would go ahead and start listing a couple. I wouldn't go overboard. Don't go overboard. I'm saying a couple here and there. I'm saying like 3 a month, maybe. Take it what you will. List a few Halloween items, things that people need, things that aren't obvious maybe. And that way it'll put some feelers out there for when people start buying Halloween stuff. And then when they do, you can start listing fresh Halloween stuff and holiday stuff and Thanksgiving stuff and all of those stupid holidays. And you can start getting some sales for those. That's a prediction of mine. That's what I'm going to start doing. I've already listed a few holiday things just to have my feelers out there, getting ready for that when the time comes. I would recommend that you do that. We're all going to be really competitive around that time, and it's just best to get out ahead of that and just already have your place in line for when those things launch off. But That's pretty much it. I just wanted to talk to you guys that I did get banned again, did have a crazy $600 day out of nowhere, and update you. Now, you've already gone through the main part of the video. It's support time. So again, as always, feel free to cut out of the video now if you don't care about the support part of the video. But here's what it is. For those of you who don't know, for those of you who do know, I have a Facebook Marketplace course. It's a beginner's course. I am currently in the process of doubling the size of it. But right now, I just moved the course over to Teachable also, which means I have more control over the coupon codes. My coupon codes will now be permanent instead of like 30-day coupon codes or whatever. So right now the course is technically $150. That's what the normal price is, but I have it marked down half off to $75 right now that you can pick it up. And whenever you pick it up, like let's say you get it for $75 right now, once I double it, I'm going to raise the price of the course to probably $200 or $250. And then you'll already have the course plus all the new stuff that comes with it. So you'll have all that stuff for like $75 if you get it early instead of waiting till later to get it. Just saying. Also, if you've already bought my course, if you're one of the people who's already gotten my course previously, just message me on the Facebook group or in my personal, I don't know, email me from the email in the description, whatever you want to do. And I'll make sure to get you a free coupon code to get the new course just for you so that you'll have it on the new platform because I'm moving from Udemy to Teachable, just so you guys know. Just a better system for me. It costs money to have, which means it's got more features and stuff like that, so it's just better. Anyway, FBM Fox, if you're looking for automation, that's where you need to go. I've got a coupon code, Cameron10, all lowercase, yes. Also, if you haven't noticed, I have removed my Z-Drop coupon codes from all my videos. Not all my videos, but like the Facebook group and any new videos. Basically that, without getting into details, I'm not trying to cause any issues. Just no longer in a business relationship with Z-Drop and no longer promoting Z-Drop. If you haven't noticed, I really haven't for the last couple to few months. So just know that using my coupon code for Z-Drop doesn't help me out. Just letting you know. But if you like Z-Drop, feel free to use them. I just am definitely that you have to pay for their lister. FBM Fox has a free lister, and then they have paid programs on there that you get a discount for if you use my coupon code. Just saying, FBM Fox is great, and I love them. If you haven't figured that out. Anyway, what else do we got? Pretty soon, I will also, I don't have it yet, but there will be a person that I've partnered with VA assistance. So it's like a thing you can get into to where it lets you have access to VAs and stuff like that. We're in the works with putting that together, but that'll be coming out soon for you. It's not mine, it's somebody else's that I'm just in talks with that I think it'd be a really good resource for you who want to like kind of take a hands-off approach to Facebook Marketplace and let somebody run it for you. The numbers I've been shown and stuff are really convincing, and I think that I think it's going to be a valuable tool for those of you who don't want to be as hands-on with your Facebook Marketplace, kind of like me. So anyway, that's really the support part. If you've made it this far, thank you for watching. I'm pretty much just going to cut it off here. I will see you next time.